Today we're gonna continue on with our 60 hikes near St. Louis, and we're back in Illinois at the Fults Hill Prairie Nature Preserve. This is about a mile and a quarter. It says extremely difficult. I can already see there's a set of stairs. That's always difficult when you have to climb stairs. Debbie is, she left early this morning and met up with her sidekick Robbie, and they went out to eat lunch and probably went shopping or what have you. So solo today, and we're gonna go ahead and hike this trail. Dedicated as a sanctuary for native plants and animals, Fults Hill Prairie. Let's go check it out. The weather's starting to cool off, but it's still supposed to get up to 90 today. But looks like at least the first part of this is in the shade. So up we go. It's a little afternoon now, so feeling pretty good. I have a feeling I'm going to be winded by the time I get up to the top of these stairs though. So let's keep going. There's some rot on the stairs, but they feel pretty solid. Yeah, they're a little wobbly. It's a little windy today, so probably gonna pick up some wind noise on the GoPro, so I will see how that turns out. Yeah, this thing's kind of rickety, and the stairs are steep too. Yep, I'm getting winded and the stairs are getting more rickety. It's really kind of scary. Okay, I'm to the top of the stairs now. Looks like we have our first overlook. Yeah. It'll be a little windy. That's a town in Missouri across the river there. I'm not sure. Herculaneum maybe? Still working my way to the top. Very steep. Yes, it's steep. Onward and upward. Again, the trail's 1.4 miles long, and there is a 413 foot elevation gain. It is a loop trail. So I'm also trying out this new app called Maps 3D, and it gives you a two-dimensional view of where you're at, and it has your location as well. It's called Maps 3D. So yeah, it's pretty cool so far, and in fact I can tell that I am about ready to get to the top of this hill, so I'm gonna march on. Fults Hill Prairie, I presume. A lot of prairie grasses growing. You probably just saw my hand. I'm trying to raise my hands because the grass is very thick here. Typical of these bluff trails, they flatten out once you get to the top. Thank goodness. And back into the forest we go. I think I'm a little over halfway done on this trail. I think I'm going to swing around here on the ridge and probably start going back down. Again, that's the Maps 3D app. I'm starting to like it. Little overgrown. I made my way to the other side. Barely see the trail, although you do see these steps. So down we go. I'm going to turn the camera off, sign off for a minute until it gets a little less steep. A log fell in the trail. Back into the woods, thank goodness, because it's gotten very hot today. It's up in the mid-90s, so I'm thankful to be out of the sun.